Bridget Credit Builder Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong, but here's the truth. Building credit in 2025 isn't just about paying off your credit card on time. If you're looking for tools that help you actively improve your credit while avoiding unnecessary fees or debt traps, Bridget Credit Builder is one app that's gaining attention. But is it really worth your time and money? Today, we're going to explore everything you need to know about Bridget Credit Builder in 2025, including how it works, its features, benefits, potential downsides, and real-world examples of how it can impact your financial life. Let's start with the basics. Bridget is best known as a financial wellness app that helps users manage cash flow, avoid overdraft fees, and access small advances when needed. In 2025, Bridget has expanded its offerings to include Bridget Credit Builder, a product designed specifically to help users improve their credit scores through a safe, controlled, and transparent system. Here's how Bridget Credit Builder works. 1. Credit Builder account ***. When you sign up for Bridget Credit Builder, you're essentially opening a secured credit account that reports to major credit bureaus. Unlike traditional credit cards, this account is designed to be low risk. You deposit money into your Bridget Credit Builder account, and Bridget reports your payment activity to the credit bureaus, helping build or rebuild your credit over time. 2. Automatic payments and reporting ***. One of the biggest advantages of Bridget Credit Builder is automation. Your deposits and scheduled payments are reported automatically to credit bureaus like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This means consistent on-time activity can steadily improve your credit score without you having to manually track payments. 3. Flexible deposit options ***. Bridget allows flexible funding options for the Credit Builder account. You can fund it weekly or monthly based on your budget. This is crucial for users who may not have a large lump sum to contribute upfront. Even small, consistent deposits can make a difference over time. 4. No hard credit checks ***. Most users are concerned about applying for credit and facing a hard inquiry, which can temporarily lower their score. Bridget Credit Builder only uses a soft credit pull for account setup, so there is no negative impact on your credit when you start. This makes it an excellent option for people with limited or poor credit history. 5. Transparency and education ***. Bridget places a strong emphasis on financial education. The app provides guidance on how your actions impact your credit score and offers tips to optimize credit building. In 2025, this educational component is more important than ever, as consumers are navigating complex credit systems, multiple scoring models, and evolving lending criteria. Now, let's discuss the ***benefits of using Bridget Credit Builder. Improved credit score ***. Consistent reporting of on-time payments through your Bridget Credit Builder account can help improve your FICO score or Vantage score. Even users with no prior credit history can start building a positive record, which opens doors to loans, credit cards, and better interest rates. Low risk ***. Since Bridget Credit Builder is a secured account, you're not borrowing money you don't have. This significantly reduces the risk of debt accumulation or late fees compared to traditional unsecured credit products. Budget-friendly ***. With flexible deposit amounts, Bridget makes it possible to build credit even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. You decide the contribution, allowing you to grow your credit without overstretching your finances. Financial wellness integration ***. Bridget Credit Builder is integrated into the Bridget app, which offers other financial tools such as overdraft protection, cash advances, and budgeting insights. This holistic approach ensures that credit building doesn't happen in isolation. It's part of a broader financial wellness strategy. No hidden fees ***. Transparency is key. Bridget clearly outlines any fees associated with Credit Builder, and unlike some credit cards or alternative credit products, there are no surprise annual fees, hidden interest rates, or complex penalty structures. Of course, there are some considerations and potential drawbacks Slow progress for some users Credit building is inherently gradual. If you're looking for immediate score improvement, Bridget Credit Builder isn't a magic solution. The impact depends on consistent deposits and payment reporting over time. Limited borrowing options Unlike traditional credit cards, Bridget Credit Builder doesn't extend a line of credit. Its primary function is to build credit safely, which may not satisfy users looking for additional liquidity or reward-based products. App reliance ***. Everything is managed through the Bridget app. Users who prefer in-person banking or multiple account interfaces may find this digital-first approach less convenient. Let's take a look at some real-world examples. Emma, a freelance designer, had limited credit history. She opened a Bridget Credit Builder account with weekly deposits of $50. Within 6 months, her credit score increased from 580 to 650, enabling her to qualify for a low-interest personal loan to purchase a new laptop and software licenses. Mike, a delivery driver, had a history of missed payments and overdrafts. By linking his Bridget app to his checking account and using Credit Builder for consistent deposits, he improved his payment reporting. After 9 months, his score rose from 600 to 670, giving him access to a credit card with rewards for gas and groceries. A small business owner, Raj, used Bridget Credit Builder to help build his personal credit while his business credit was still developing. By showing consistent, positive reporting, he secured a better interest rate on a small business loan, demonstrating how personal credit health can influence business opportunities. So, is Bridget Credit Builder worth it in 2025? If you're someone who wants to build or repair credit safely, avoid high-risk credit products, gain consistent reporting to major credit bureaus, access educational tools to improve financial literacy, then yes, Bridget Credit Builder is a valuable option. Its low-risk, automated approach makes it particularly attractive for first-time credit builders, freelancers, or anyone recovering from past financial missteps. However, if you need immediate access to large lines of credit, prefer traditional banking products with in-person support, seek rewards-based credit card perks immediately, you may want to use Bridget Credit Builder alongside other credit products rather than relying solely on it. In conclusion, Bridget Credit Builder in 2025 represents a practical, safe, and accessible way to build credit. Its combination of automation, educational resources, and financial wellness integration makes it more than just a credit tool. It's a platform that helps you establish a strong foundation for long-term financial health. Start with small, consistent deposits, monitor your progress, and watch as your credit score grows steadily over time. The key takeaway is simple. Building credit doesn't have to be risky or complicated. With Bridget Credit Builder, you gain control, transparency, and support, all of which are essential for sustainable financial growth in 2025. If this review helped you understand the value of Bridget Credit Builder, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your questions or experiences. Remember, credit building is a journey, not a sprint, and the earlier you start, the better your financial future will be.